Good morning, boys and girls. It is Friday, June 11th, and here we are, our last Friday of the 2020-2021 school year. And man, has it been one I will never forget. I know many of you feel the same way. So as our last celebration morning announcement, I'm going to highlight a few fun things for you today. Starting off with Miss Gensler's first grade class. Check out those self-portraits. And they talked about their belief that they can do anything. They're going to be kind to their neighbors, and they're always going to try their best. Miss Gensler's class, you are ready for great things in second grade. Next up is our kindergarten superstars. Check out my graduation swag I was so kindly gifted from Miss Chapin's class as we enjoyed a virtual celebration. I've had the pleasure of visiting Tuscarora High School for their senior graduation, and I can tell you that this virtual one was just as special. Boys and girls, we can't wait to see you in first grade next year. Thanks, Miss Chapin. Speaking of our kindergarten team, boy, they are the queen bees, and they were honoring their special queen bee, Miss McGinnis, who will be retiring at the end of this school year. But it takes a wonderful team of teachers that work together and collaborate and support each other to make awesome things happen, and this second grade team has surely be kind and they be awesome. Hey, one thing we haven't talked about this year, our free little library. Thinking about what you're going to do this summer and some reading? Come check it out. It will be here day or night, and Miss Barrick will make sure that it is always fully stocked. And here's just a few examples of some primary and intermediate texts that have recently been stocked in the free little library. You can keep these books forever, for a short period of time while you're reading them, and you can return them and get another book just like a traditional library. It's up to you. So please don't forget that is an awesome option this summer as you are looking for some good books. Miss Gordon's class has been celebrating their Stick With It students all semester long, and they had their final celebration this week as they got to cash in for those awesome stickers, and then they got to make their own personalized water bottles. Miss Gordon's class, I am so proud of you, and look how happy those faces are, cheering each other on. Woohoo! One class that loves to have fun and enjoy nature is Mrs. Myers' class. If there's a class I have loved visiting this year, it surely has been this one. They know how to go outside, have some fun, and think outside the box. So this week they went on a nature walk because we have so many beautiful things right here in our own backyard to enjoy. So Miss Myers' class, that is awesome, and I hope that you all enjoy lots of walks throughout the summer, maybe with your families, and seeing all that Frederick County and Ballinger Creek has to offer. Last but certainly not least, Miss Llewellyn's Lexia Stars coming in at the end. Check out these kids who have been superstars completing all of their Lexia assignments. Olivia, Jordan, Sierran, Scarlett, George, Julia, Ty, Jasmine, Alil, Winston, Jackson, and Isabella. Way to go. And last but certainly not least, boys and girls, I would like to thank all of our teachers, our support staff, everyone who has worked so hard this school year, including our students, that's all of you, our parents who may be listening at home and have worked so hard with us this year, and even our community members who have brought us some programs. I ask you at the beginning of the year to stick with me and celebrate all of us, that we were in this together, and we certainly have been. You've made my first year as principal of Ballinger Creek absolutely wonderful, and I look forward to seeing you again next year for an epic school year. So job well done, your principal is proud, and I am ready to sail into summer. Happy weekend!